Infidelity breaks more than just hearts. It breaks the foundation of trust, and rebuilding it feels impossible. You might ask, will I ever believe them again? Will they ever believe me again? Or is it even worth trying? In this video, we'll break down 7 practical, real-world tips for rebuilding trust after infidelity without the sugarcoating. Let's start rebuilding, one step at a time. Tip number 1, stop saying trust me, start showing it. Trust isn't a promise, it's a pattern. If you broke trust, stop trying to convince your partner. Start showing consistency in your behavior day after day. Words can't fix what actions destroyed. Tip number 2, radical transparency is non-negotiable. Rebuilding trust means having nothing to hide. That might mean sharing passwords, phone access, and full honesty without being asked. This isn't about control, it's about creating a safe space for your partner to feel secure again. Tip number 3, be patient. Trust doesn't work on your timeline. You may want to move on, but the betrayed partner is still in it. Healing doesn't have a deadline. There will be triggers, bad days, questions. Your job is to stay present, not pressure. Tip number 4, take full accountability without defensiveness. Blaming the betrayed partner kills healing. You didn't cheat because they weren't enough. You cheated because something in you chose to cross a line. Own it, name it, and commit to growing from it. True accountability rebuilds trust faster than any apology. Tip number 5, keep your promises, even the small ones. Every time you follow through, no matter how small, you're laying a new brick of trust. Show up when you say you will. Respond when you said you would. Reliability rebuilds safety. Tip number 6, create a weekly check-in to talk honestly. Set aside time weekly to ask, how are you feeling about us? Is there anything I can do better? Are there things we haven't talked about yet? This creates emotional safety, something infidelity destroyed. Open, consistent dialogue is where trust begins to grow again. Tip number 7, do the inner work individually and together. Individual therapy, couples therapy, books, support groups, accountability partners. Trust isn't rebuilt just through conversations, it's rebuilt through transformation. If you're not willing to dig into your own patterns, trust stays fragile. Rebuilding trust after infidelity isn't about returning to what you had. It's about creating something new, something stronger, something rooted in truth, not illusion. It won't happen overnight, and sometimes it won't happen at all. But if both partners are willing to do the work, consistently, humbly, and with open hearts, trust can be rebuilt.